Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals for the week, checking out the items that I've found that are either on sale, items that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All of the items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested with their own independent link, and then I'll have two additional links that say tools and tools continued. Those two links will take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past. It's all there for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We release these videos every Friday. And then throughout the week, I do knife reviews, tool reviews, project car videos, things like that. So stay tuned to the channel. But first item up on today's list is the Klein Tools multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver. This is a 15-in-1. You guys already know Klein Tools. Not only are they a great brand, but they have a ridiculous amount of different 15-in-1, 27-in-1, 16-in-1 multi-function screwdrivers, as well as wire strippers and crimpers. I mean, there is an endless number of these drivers, but this 15-in-1 is going to include Phillips slotted square Torx and combo bits and a 1/4-inch nut driver. So here you can see everything that's actually included with this 15-in-1. 14 industrial strength heat treated bits, and then you have that 1/4-inch nut driver at the end. It is ratcheting. I'm pretty picky when it comes to my ratcheting drivers. I absolutely love my PB Swiss, but one thing with PB Swiss is they are not cheap, so I like to look for those that are a little bit more cost friendly but still good multi-bit drivers. And I really like this design. It's very sleek, nothing crazy, because I have quite a few of the Klein drivers where you can pull the shaft, you got flip sockets on it, you got attachments, all that, which are fantastic. But I don't want that all the time. There's just too much going on, especially for simple tasks. That's where I like something like this that's still versatile yet still clean. You have your ratcheting function, nice slimline profile, and then you still have bit storage in the back, and Klein does a good job on their carousels. Really easy to remove and insert the bits, but they're still secure. And this is down to $19.98 from a list price of $25. I don't think it ever really sells at the $25. It usually sells, not that it's a big difference, but it sells right under $24, but still some good savings on here. This has 4.7 stars, 8,784 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Koken product made in Japan. Absolutely phenomenal. I didn't get one until 2025 when a friend of mine bought it for me, because for years people have been telling me to buy one. Honestly, the only reason I haven't is just, well, one, not necessarily due to the price, but because I probably have 40 ratchets or close to it. I don't know. More than I need, but I still try to use them all. And he sent me this one. Obviously, over the years, I've heard so many people mention the low back drag. They're a simple design ratchet, but they just work well. They are ridiculously low back drag, and it just feels so smooth. It's like buttery smooth. It feels great straight out of package, you know, just grabbing the square drive and turning it. When I really realized it was when you put a socket on it. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just felt even better. So this is the 3/8 drive, kind of their standard 7-inch. They have many others, but this is the only one that's really ever on sale. Every once in a while, you'll catch the other ones. They're not super expensive, but they're not a cheap ratchet either. But I think it's definitely worth trying out. If you catch one on sale and you like the design, maybe you're looking for a flex head, wait for it to go on sale. If you can, definitely pick it up. I think it's worth a shot. I know a lot of people that really enjoy them, but I've been really happy with it, and figured I'd share it with you guys. This one is on sale at $56, down from $59, so a little bit of savings on there, not much, but definitely worth trying out if you haven't tried out a Koken ratchet. And this has 4.7 stars, 569 ratings. Next up is a brand that I've never heard of, but I saw this set and figured I'd give it a mention just because I like what's included. It's a 1/2-inch drive impact socket set, 29 pieces, deep impact, deep sockets only. Chromoly steel, both SAE and metric, 3/8 through 1-inch and 10 through 24, all 6-point. It does include some extension bars. They do have a few other sets available as well. So here you can see 10 through 24 No skips. I did notice down here, it goes up here, it goes 16, 17, and then they swap these 19, 18, 20, 21, all the way up through 24. So really good coverage. And then you also have your SAE 3/8. I don't know what is going on here. They just slap these in here in any order. 3/8, and then you got 5/8 down here. You got 1 inch up here. Yeah, either way, 3/8 through 1 inch, and then you have a 3, 5, and 10 inch extension. Once again, all chromoly, radiused corners, beveled edges. But it's at $34.19, down from a list price of $40 for a 1/2 inch drive impact socket set, deep wells with that coverage. I thought that was a pretty good price. I have no idea what that brand name is. Ingjer? I don't know. The case actually looks halfway decent too. It's got metal clamps on it, or latches, and a metal rod that goes through the pivot point. It's not just plastic. So, I don't know. It looked like a pretty decent set to me, but please let me know your guys' thoughts. 4.7 stars, 361 ratings. Next up, we were looking at the Wera Kraftform Plus screwdriver set. And this is like their heavy duty. It's got striking. It's got hex bolster, impact resistant tips. You can see the tang goes all the way through the handle. Now their stainless steel set is actually on sale right now. I think at $54. I think it sells for around $60 when it's not on sale. I'm not. This one's not on sale, but I think $45 for this set is good. I have experience with these, the standard Kraftform screwdrivers. I bought a couple of kind of all of their designs to do reviews on a few years back, and I really like this design. I think this is a good price for it. It comes with a little wall organizer. Now, the thing with a lot of these Wera sets, you're going to get more slotted than you are Phillips. As you can see in this set, like many of the others, you have 4 slotted and 2 Phillips. And even though it doesn't say it's on sale at $44.95, it does typically go up to the 55. I mean, it's commonly going up and down between 45 and 55. And I think at the $45 price range, that's still a really good deal. All made in Germany. If you guys haven't tried out the Wera Kraftform screwdrivers, definitely a good one to consider. A lot of people really enjoy them. 4.8 stars, 1,565 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Klein Tools 6-inch dual lock extension. I bought this shortly after it came out. I believe it was last year. 1/4-inch bit adapter. I love the dual locking feature. So not only do you have the pull tab where it locks in, but then you have this orangish screw cap basically here, or sleeve. You spin it upwards and it prevents the collar from being pulled back, prevents it from releasing the bit. So when you're working in tight spaces, you don't lose your bit. Which may not be necessary for everybody, but when you're working in tight spaces with bits, that's the last thing you want, especially if you're working with just a magnetic adapter or maybe a ring retention style or a ball detent. This just gives you that added security so you don't lose your bit working in tight areas, and it works extremely well. It's at $10. It doesn't say it's on sale. It's actually been at $11, I believe it was. And then I think at Lowe's $10.50. I'm not just mentioning this because it's at a lower price than, 50 cents lower than Lowe's and $1 cheaper than what it has been on Amazon, but I'm mentioning it because it's a really good bit extension holder. Really big fan of this one. I was really surprised by it, and definitely want to consider, especially if you work in a lot of tight areas. 4.5 stars, 179 ratings. They also have a 12-inch one available as well at $15, and then you can get both of them together at $22. Next up, we're looking at a Duratech product. This is the 3/8 drive stubby impact socket set, 14 pieces, 6 through 19. I'm a big fan of these. Once again, another tool when you're working in tight spaces. Fantastic to have around. You can throw these on a wrench, you can throw them on a ratchet, you can use pliers. Lots of different ways to work in tight areas with these sockets. Tons of brands offer them. This one's at $32, down from a list price of $40. Good coverage here, 3/8 drive, and a set with no skips. They are 6-point design. You can see the hex base. That's going to allow you to get that wrench, whether it's box end, open end, a pliers wrench, whatever it may be on the back of there, or you can just use a ratchet or an impact. It's rated for all of it. You can kind of see a comparison of the stubby socket compared to a standard shallow socket. And I think for a chromoly steel stubby impact socket set like this at $32, I think that's a great deal. It comes on a little plastic rail. They have a 10-piece set, a 14-piece set, and a 19-piece set, and they are all on sale right now. Down from the 10 pieces down from $28 to $24. This one down to $32 from $40, and the 19-piece set is down to $44 from $55. This has 4.7 stars, 299 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Casoman product. This is their 14-piece quarter-inch drive magnetic impact socket set. This is the shallow set. I actually just picked up the deep well set of these. Having magnetic sockets can be so helpful. Tight areas again. When you can't physically hold the fastener to the socket, getting it started or removing it, you don't have to worry about using tape or a plastic bag or a glove or anything like that to try and jam the fastener in the socket. This just makes it really simple. And even though these aren't on sale, the price for Casoman products, it's just a great deal all around. No, they don't make the highest quality stuff, but for weekend warriors, DIYers, they make a lot of really good products for the price. Really hard to beat. Them and Mixed Power, two companies a lot of people haven't heard of, just sold on Amazon as far as I'm aware. A lot of this stuff is like the same as Gear Wrench and a few other brands, but at a fraction of the cost. This is a 6-point socket set, all metric, 4 to 15 millimeter chromoly without skipping a size. You do get the 4.5 and 5.5, and just like what we're seeing a lot more of today, it goes up to the 15 millimeter, which is nice. There are actually some big name brands out there that still haven't gotten up to the 15. There are a lot of brands out there that some stop at 13, a lot of them stop at 14, but we're starting to see more and more of them stop at 15. And then like Tekton now, they have it in quarter-inch drive all the way up to 17 when it comes to their impact sockets. So really cool there. But magnetic impact sockets or magnetic sockets in general, just fantastic to have around. Just a very convenient tool to have. $30, I think that's a great deal. But every once in a while, you will catch these around $25 to $27. Couple dollars worth of savings. Either way, even at this price, I still think it's a good deal. 4.5 stars, 431 ratings, and that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, all of these are linked down in the description for you guys, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you guys have any brand suggestions or types of tools that you would like to see in future videos, please drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to keep an eye out for deals on them. Or if there's just a tool out there that you really recommend that you think is a fantastic tool even at its full price, please feel free to drop it down in the comments. I'd be happy to mention it in future videos. Other than that, I will see you guys next time.